Yes.
Very good evening, everyone. This is Manas from Hospitality Desk channel. So today we all are here to just describe about whiskey. How many types of whiskey is there, and whiskey is made from what, and what all are the whiskeys are available with us. You can see lots of varieties of whiskey we have. We will explain one by one the types of whiskey. Kindly bear with us. So here with us, Mr. Avigundu is there. He is the bar in charge for our hotel. So he is going to explain what all are the types of whiskeys available here. So Avigundu, you can tell what exactly the types of whiskey is here.
Guys, actually, basically 9 types of whiskey will be there. One will be rye whiskey, one will be the Japanese whiskey, one is the bourbon whiskey, one will be after that will be blended Scotch whiskey will be there. Then will be Tennessee whiskey, then single malt, and will be Irish whiskey,
Okay.
Scotch whiskey, and Canadian whiskey. Total
All
9 types of
good.
whiskey.
So you can see there is a total 9 types of whiskey is there in the world, as Abhimanyu says. So we will explain one by one what is the type of whiskey and what all whiskeys we have here.
ये जेमसन विस्की है। इसका स्टेट है 1780।
अच्छा।
इसका ओरिजिन ऑफ कंट्री विल बी आयरलैंड। ये ट्रिपल डिस्टिल्ड वाइन है। इसका जेमसन का फ्लेवर होता है जैसा वैनिला फ्रूटी फ्लेवर का होता है, और ये ज्यादा से ज्यादा आइस क्यूब और जिंजर एल के साथ बहुत अच्छा होता है। और विस्की फैमिली में जितना भी अच्छा है मैं बता रहा हूँ दोस्त, ये जेमसन सबसे आयरिश विस्की में सबसे बहुत बढ़िया है। अमेरिका में नंबर 1 सेलिंग ब्रांड है अमेरिका का जेमसन आयरिश विस्की। तो इसका अल्कोहल वॉल्यूम होता है 14%, 40% अल्कोहल वॉल्यूम होता है,
40% होता है। और ये ट्रिपल
डिस्टिल का
है, ट्रिपल टाइम डिस्टिल है और वेरी स्मूथ होगा। जैसे ट्रिपल टाइम डिस्टिल है तो आप जब पी रहे हो तो इट विल बी वेरी स्मूथली ट्रिपल डिस्टिल्ड, एंड इट इज वेरी गुड इन टेस्ट, स्मूथली गुड। सो गाइस, एवरीवन मस्ट ट्राई दैट जेमसन।
Hi guys, so myself Aishi. I'm going to explain about the Glenlivet. It's a Glenlivet. You can see the bottle how sexy it is, and it's a 15-year-old. It comes from Scotland, and it's a single malt whiskey, and its alcohol percent is 40%, and its taste is fruity and nutty taste. So please try this. You will enjoy it.
Of course, everyone will enjoy who will drink. So this is Glenlivet 15, as she told. This is very smoothly and from Scotland, and one of the expensive whiskey too. So before drinking, you must check the price on your menu. So next we will discuss. Here we have a great personality, Saurabh. Saurabh will introduce a whiskey and describe what he knows about that.
Good evening to all. Today I am going to describe the Maker's Mark Bourbon Whiskey. Actually, the Maker's Mark is origin from the USA. Actually, and this is a Bourbon Whiskey with the signature red sealed bottle.
Wow.
And the volume is 45% by volume.
45%, guys.
It's basically made from like Kentucky and Loretto.
Very good.
From the USA, and this is like 45% volume. And this is rich smoothie flavor, caramel flavor and vanilla flavor. This whiskey as a straight drink or on the rocks, and basically it's in a cocktail you can go with like old fashioned Manhattan. That will be that nice cocktail made up with this
Wow. Very good, very good. So as you can see, Saurabh has explained, and this bottle is signature. So this is the खासियत। ये पीने से पहले सबको पता होना चाहिए इसका खासियत क्या है, ठीक है। तो वी विल ट्राई डेफिनेटली, एंड आप सबको भी ट्राई करना चाहिए। अगर आप ऑन द रॉक्स ले रहे हो तो आप ये व्हिस्की लीजिए। यस, सो हियर वी हैव आवर सिग्नेचर कैमरामैन प्लस our head bartender and bar manager Mintu. So Mintu will explain about Japanese whiskey.
Yes, definitely. Yeah, so this is Hibiki, as you can see here. Hibiki is a like very famous whiskey in Japan. This comes from Suntory distillery, and this is like more of
more than 30 whiskeys blend inside this, and this alcohol content is 43%. You can enjoy with like good highballs, and you can have with some on the rocks.
But
or
this is
little
a high alcohol volume, 43%.
43. And actually this is quite famous in India nowadays, and you can enjoy with your some Japanese food as well. And this, the bottle is quite different from others, as you can
Yeah,
see.
everybody can see this is like something unique and signature.
Premium.
Yeah, premium style of the bottle. Very good. So, who want to have Japanese food can try with Japanese whiskeys. And what do you think, Mintu, which one is the best here for Indians? As we all are Indians, we are seeing from India. So, what is the best for Indian people for drinking whiskey with the food? Of course.
Everybody prefer nowadays Jameson. They
Okay.
have make huge market in India nowadays. So this is very smooth actually, and you can see as a triple distill set. So triple distill once is done, so it will be like very smooth.
So, just because of triple time distilled, it is very smooth.
Yes.
Yes, of course. You can make it more distill also if you have a distillery. So we don't have any problem there. Okay. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Kindly bear with us and subscribe our channel to see more about hospitality or hotel industry learning videos. We are here to bring up all the topics related to food and beverage service, food production, housekeeping and front office, all the department of hotels. So we will come up with the next video. Kindly bear with us. Thank you so much.